Hey guys, today I will be showing you how I blow dry my natural hair and also achieving this goddess style by flat twisting. If you're interested, then please keep watching. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. Um, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. So when I first used to blow dry my hair, when I first became natural, I remember trying to go in and blow dry it like I still had a relaxer. And it was the comb, the brush was getting stuck. My hair felt hard, and all you heard was it didn't work. So I had to learn another way to blow dry my hair being natural. So the tension method works for me. So what I first go ahead and do, as you can see, my hair is it already dried. So I know some people like to use a shower cap to keep the moisture in before they blow dry it. You can do that as well. I just go ahead. I'm gonna take a piece. And I just go ahead with a little spray bottle and I spritz some water on my hair. I'm going to comb it out, just to get, even though it's pretty much already combed out. I like to use as my heat protectant each time I blow dry and flat iron my hair, which is like 3, maybe 4 times a year. I use the TRESemme Heat Tamer Thermal Creations Heat Protectant on my hair. Y'all, I have to use this. I am so scared of heat damage. So, yes, use a heat protectant of your choice. This is what I use. And for the blow dryer, I am using the Infinity Pro Conair. And I like to use this little nozzle for the for the tension method. I'm sorry, it works really good. I like to use the highest setting on cool. Just because, y'all, like I said, I'm not trying to have no heat damage. So I'm very, if using medium or hot works for you, by all means, go ahead. But I like to use cool. So for the tension method, I grab the ends of my hair and I just go ahead and blow dry it until it's about 75%-ish dry. And I go in with my handy dandy Denman brush and I just work it through until, it's 100% dry. So let's give it a try. wanted to show you how to do the Greek goddess look. So I already have this side done. It's already twisted. I'm going to switch cameras just so you can actually get a good look of how I do this twist. So you start off with 2 strands of hair at the top of where you want to begin your twist. So like I said, twisting is like braiding, but it's using 2 strands of hair versus 3. So I use my index finger and my thumb, just like I do when I'm braiding, and I fold the hair over to the other side while at the same time feeding in the rest of the hair. That probably made no sense, so it's best to just watch the video. But yeah, you just continue twisting until you get down to the bottom of the twist. That's pretty much it. So guys, if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, thanks for watching.